The Plant Variety Protection Act of 1970 and its effects on turfgrass by Paul Miller. The start. The Plant Variety Protection Act was enacted in 1970 by Congress. Its intent was to create new varieties of crops to become available to the public. The act also allowed for the patent owner to collect royalties, which provide funding for the creation of other new varieties. What is the Plant Variety Protection Act? The Plant Variety Protection Act is a form of patent prepared for seed-propagated plants. It is responsible for a majority of turfgrass breeding and improvements in both turfgrass and crops in the United States in the past 30 years. Also, because of the Plant Variety Protection Act, money spent on varietal improvements supplies seed companies with returns on their research investments. Before the Plant Variety Protection Act, in 1930, the Plant Patent Act was passed. It only allowed for asexually multiplied varieties of plants to be protected by patent. Kentucky bluegrass was protected under this patent because it reproduces asexually through seed. Plant Variety Protection Act rationale. The idea for the Plant Variety Protection Act of 1970 came after research concluded that seed-propagated plants had the ability to be stable and uniform. For new varieties of plants to be eligible to be protected under the PVPA, they have to meet 3 criteria. The plant must be distinct, uniform, and stable. Turf development and the PVPA. Developing new varieties of turf grasses can take years to accomplish. This long process is then only lengthened in order to gain patent protection from the PVPA, which takes 2 years or more. Turf and the Plant Variety Protection Act. Penfine, developed at Penn State by Dr. Deutsch, was one of the first turf grasses protected by the Plant Variety Protection Act. It was also the first perennial ryegrass to be used as turf, rather than forage for cows. Penfine was filed for protection from the PVPA in 1972 and approved for protection in 1977. The PVPA in action. In 2010, a lawsuit was filed by Turfgrass Group Incorporated against Northeast Louisiana Turf Farms. The suit was filed due to an infringement of Turfgrass Group Incorporated's right to a variety of centipede grass that Northeast Louisiana Turf Farms was growing. Turfgrass Group Incorporated won the suit and was awarded $227,000. Also, Northeast Louisiana Turf Farms was forced to destroy all infringing sod and seed.